Cenforce contains the salt of sildenafil citrate is used for male sexual problems, such as erectile dysfunction. The drug is used when a male does not get a satisfying erection in the penis while having sex. Sildenafil causes the hardening of the penis and a prolonged erection. Sildenafil citrate works by dilating the blood vessels and increasing blood flow to the penis. This helps in increasing the duration of erection so that a male can have satisfying sex for the whole night. Medical uses of the drug. Cenforce is used for erotic disorders, a situation we commonly say as impotence. A male experiences no erection during sexual stimulation or intercourse. Sildenafil helps in erecting the penis by increasing the blood flow to the penis. This situation is generally found in males of age above 30 years. The reason may be their age or health issues such as diabetes, hypertension, anxiety, or it may be psychological. The drug is to be taken generally 30 minutes before sex, a shorter duration treatment for the described condition. This is also a more extended duration treatment option for pulmonary arterial hypertension in males and females. The drug works by dilating the arteries which connect the heart to the lung and lower down the blood pressure. How to use. The tablets is to be taken orally. It is advised to take on a full stomach to reduce the impact of side effects attached to the pill. In case if the dose is missed, take the next dose before 30 minutes of sexual intercourse. Do not over-consume the drug to increase the erection. It can cause drastic adverse effects. No need of taking this medicine daily. Have it only once in a day, the two before sex. A Cenforce 100 mg tablet contains 100 mg of sildenafil citrate and is recommended to be taken once daily. Usually the tablets are consumed as per the requirement 30 to 60 minutes prior to the anticipated sexual activity. In case your doctor instructs you to consume it daily, ensure a gap of 24 hours between doses. It is essential to have sexual arousal stimulation for the medication to work. It will not work in absence of sexual arousal. Contraindications. Patients taking the following medicine types should not take Cenforce: nitrate medicines, nitroglycerin medicines, nitroprusside medicines, granulate cyclase stimulators such as Adimpas, Reartiguat, alpha blockers, sometimes prescribed for prostate problems or high blood pressure, HIV protease inhibitors, some types of oral antifungal medicines, other medicines that treat high blood pressure, other medicines or treatments for erectile dysfunction, amyl nitrate, recreationally known as poppers, organ donor recipient medicines, azole antifungal medicines taken orally, topical creams for treatment of candida, fresh as safe. Precautions. Avoid large or fatty meals close to when you intend to take the medicine. Additionally, avoid the regular consumption of large amounts of grapefruit and grapefruit juice. Grapefruit can raise the blood level in your body and delay the time it takes for the medication to work. Alcohol will also reduce the effectiveness of this medicine. Cenforce can lower blood pressure and combining it with alcohol may feature increase this effect. You may be more likely to experience symptoms such as dizziness, lightheadedness, fainting, flushing, headache, and heart palpitations. You should avoid or limit the use of alcohol while being treated with sildenafil citrate and use caution when getting up from a sitting or lying position. The dosage is based on your medical condition, response to treatment, and other medications you may be taking. Be sure to tell your doctor and pharmacist about all the products you use, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. Side effects. The range of adverse effects can be from mild to severe. It varies from person to person due to the different genetic makeup of every individual. Side effects attached to this drug include nausea, headache or dizziness, indigestion or diarrhea, loss of sight either temporary or permanent, tingling sensation in arms and feet, loss of hair in either temporary or permanent, blood in urine, pain in penis, irregular heartbeat. These side effects generally occur when the pill is not taken with the proper prescriptions which adhere to the use of the salt.